Assalamualaikum. My name is Fiza Ilhami binti Talib. My matric number is 050755. We are from Group 11. We are going to present about issue related to type of financial risk management. For introduction, financial risk is anything that concern and focus on money flowing in and out of the business. It includes liquidity risk, credit risk, market risk, and operational risk. First, liquidity risk is an event that could occur when individual investor, any business or financial institution cannot meet their short-term debt obligation. It divides into two types, which is funding liquidity risk and market liquidity risk. The issue is impact of trust and loyalty of lembaga tabung haji depositor on liquidity risk. It happens when tabung haji get into various issues that make them lose their credibility. It tends to make the depositor to withdraw their money, and with high withdrawal demand will cause tabung haji to be exposed to liquidity risk if the liquidity position is at low level. Suggestion to overcome: tabung haji should regain the trust and loyalty of their customer by avoid getting caught in any issue that could give negative image. The factor that could increase the customer trust including financial information, depositor guarantee, and quality of service and capable image.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafada binti Abdul Arif. My matric number is 050308. So I will present about the market risk. So market risk can be described as the risk on investment value due the result of market fluctuations. So there are four factors of market risk. First is interest rate risk, commodity rate risk, foreign exchange risk, and also the equity risk. The issues is changes in open market rate impact on the bank interest rate. So due to the COVID-19, where it badly impact on the economic market, BMM slashed the overnight policy rate by 50 basis points to 2%. However, if rate is too low or too high, it leads to the inflations and the deflations. The changes in monetary policy cause the changes in open market, which impact on the bank's interest rate. So bank is exposed to the fluctuations in market interest rate in two ways. First is the mismatched maturity of assets and liabilities. And second is different level of market interest rate has the significant impact on the profitability of the bank. For the suggestions is implement the asset liability management, where it was the financial risk management practice on the mismatch between the assets and liabilities. So it focused on the timing of the cash flow and passively matched liabilities. So for the overall asset liability management may decrease the possibility of the mismatch. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name was Nur Ainin Sophia, matric number 049897. Credit risk. Credit risk is the uncertainty of bad debt which the borrower could not pay for their debt, whether individual or companies, with the agreed term. Issue of the credit risk. Credit decline affecting banking sector due to the economic recession that leading to a default in payment. Second, due to pandemic of COVID-19, where repayment has been postponed of 6-month loan deferment. By that, banks suffer loss rate of return and having difficulties in manage the credit risk. Focusing on the suggestion to overcome the issue of credit risk, bank need to operate under a sound granting process. Second, bank need to implement adequate control over credit risk by practice ongoing assessment. And last, bank should monitor the borrower based on the requirement.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Asrina, 049867. We'll talk about operational risk. So basically, operational risk is the loss and result from various sources such as people, system, and external event. So even BNM issued out the policy document on operational risk as guidelines to encounter this risk. Example for operational risk is fraud and also business interruption, which is what I'm going to talk about on the issue. Coronavirus 19 hassles Malaysian banks' business operation environment. So, the COVID-19 outbreak has resulted in business losses, leading business continuity interruption that may cause the business to go bankrupt. It is widely expected the global economy will be facing economic downfall and recession that possibly gives a severe impact on financial institution for its both profitability and asset quality are declining. So suggestion to overcome this risk is The first one is to review on the operational risk management policy. The second one is to work on the business continuity plan. And the last one is to enhance the crisis management. Yeah, so that's all from us on the issue on type of risk, financial risk management. Thank you.